Hello children, welcome to my channel Bloom with Jyrus. Today we will study very interesting concept of tens and ones. Always children are very confused that why we have to start counting from ones and why we have to write T and O before starting counting. We can clear this concept and confusion by giving them some example. So, I have some example.
Yes, these are pencils. These are pencils. Now, let's see how many pencils do I have. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is a bundle of 10 pencils. Okay? Now, I am going to tie this pencil. I am going to tie these pencils. So, these are 10 pencils and one bundle. 10 pencils and one bundle. So, we will call it ones, tens. Now, 1/10 and 1/1 is equal to 11. Okay? Is equal to 11. 1/10 and 2/1s, 1/10 and 2/1s is equal to 12. We have to write like this. To make the children understand concept very clearly, you may play this game in very interesting way. Here, I am going to use some color pencils. Okay? I will going to use some color pencil. So, ask the children to count 10th of these and keep in this circle. Keep in the circle. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That means 1, 10. And ask the children to write here 1. Okay? 1. Now, this is 1/10. And here, you ask the children to keep one colored pencil. So, 1/10 and 1/1 is equal to 11. Okay? Here, you have to write 1. Now, 1/10 and 2/1s is equal to 12. Okay? Is equal to 12. We have to write here 2/1s, 1/10. Okay? Now, 1/10 and 3/1s is equal to 13. We have to write here 3/1s and 1/10. Okay kids? Thank you.